Alright, what's up guys, we're back at the Maverick. So today we're doing an oil change. This is the, what is it, the second, third oil change? I don't remember. Second and third oil change. The first ones I had done somewhere else.
This is either the third or fourth.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I had them done somewhere, but this time we're going to do it ourselves because I finally got ramps and I didn't feel like going under there.
And there's not really any good vids.
Yeah, so we're going to run through. So I think we got everything. We got our oil, some Valvoline.
Only the best.
That's what I'll be rocking. We got the motorcraft filter. Here's a parts number for you. So I did order this on Amazon, but shipping took like 2 weeks. I don't know what that's about. We got our filter pliers. Hopefully they'll fit. We got a Torx bit for the shield. Got our drain. Got Stoney's cardboard, and I got me a new Grille Harbor Freight the other day on the sale. So let's hop underneath and see what we gotta do to start this bad boy. All right, what's up? Running the truck. So this is the, I guess, the cover we need to remove. It's a bunch of Torx bits. We got T25. There's one here, all the way like around the whole thing. There's a bunch of them.
I think I'll
count them up for you.
Yeah, I can see those.
This is what new suspension looks like, huh? No rust. Man, it's a lot different than being under the Subaru.
Yeah, it is.
So we're gonna get all these Torx screws out and catch it back in a minute. Alright, so as you can see, we got the cover off. Everything looks nice and new in here. Nice it is. So here's your
Fomoco.
here's your oil filter right here.
Easy.
Hopefully it's not cranked. It shouldn't be. Got our drain plug right here. So
You did drain it. You gotta go get a wrench.
yeah.
You ain't bring that, huh?
Man, that's the one thing I forgot. And I thought I was so prepared. Alright, so we got the oil is a 15mm socket for the drain plug. Man. Yeah, it's cranked. That's good.
I'm gonna get that done off. What are we doing? Nice. I thought I was dead there for sure.
Man, I should have put gloves on.
Did you pot a cap?
No, not yet.
Here, talk to the folks. I'll go.
I was gonna pull this out first.
Get this one. If you don't pop it, it's gonna be all good. Alright.
Get ready to adjust this bad boy.
You ready to adjust what bad boy?
The pan.
Oh, then.
Go for the back. It always has to go for the back.
Yep. And that shit black already, huh?
Well, we got the oil pretty much all the way drained out. So now I'm just trying to loosen this.
There you go. Turn a little bit. You probably get it with your hand now.
I got oil all over my hand. I can't grip shit for fuck.
Right to it for the job, at least. Just denting that bitch. Just...
Mm-hmm.
Fuck. Just let it go for a second. Just let him go, do his thing.
Don't drip on my driveway.
Fomoco? Somebody hooked you up. You see that guy pissing up there?
Let that guy do his thing. I'm gonna go get a paper towel, save my driveway. Alright, so we got the new filter. We're putting them in. Some good threads. Just put it in by hand. Should be good, right?
Now, Jagger's failing to mention that you put a thin film of oil on that O-ring.
Oh yeah.
And
Right. Let me spin this.
on that black O-ring.
Yeah, put some oil.
Put some oil in there.
And it don't gotta be cranked. It's just gotta be on there pretty much. Then we're gonna tighten this plug, the drain plug up. not to 3,000 foot-pounds like the old one. Just good.
And then wipe it with a paper towel.
Yeah. Oil can't rust. There you go. So we got our new oil open. We got the what's it called? Funnel in here. So it takes 5.5 quarts. We got the Ego Boost. So it's gonna take this whole big one and then some of that small one. So let's just fucking get going on.
And we'll get back with you when we're done doing this. I don't think y'all want to watch us put oil in a funnel.
Yeah. Just filled it up with oil. I'm gonna put the old baby dick cap in. And we've had a development. Went through all this effort to not create a leak, and my goddamn the pan from Harbor Freight wasn't tight all the way, and now we got oil in the driveway. After all that, there's a bigger one underneath the lid right now. But we got the oil in, so we're gonna bada bing, bada boom, make sure the level's good, and then we'll come back, let you know what happens, and put that guard on. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to change the oil life. So you wanna go to the settings in here, right? You wanna scroll up to settings, hit the 3 dots, go to information, then you wanna go right here where it says oil life, and you wanna hold the button to reset the oil life. And you're good, 100%. I don't think they reset it last time. Alright, so we got the tray back under. This little, can they see this? This thing, this push thing needs to go underneath this black tab. So you get it lined up, push it underneath, and then that'll like hold it. And now, see how that's pretty much up, everybody? And then you need to get this pushed forward a little bit, right?
We need to get these over this.
Yeah.
You can see that. There you go, like that. And there's another one down there.
Did I get it?
I can see your hands in the way. Yeah.
Alright.
You gotta line your hose up.
Yep, then it's pretty much up. You don't have to hold it. And you can just put a couple in.
Well, you gotta line it up. You gotta crook it a little bit. You can see it.
Just get a couple of them started. This is like the same type of shit that be in your hood. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put all these screws in, and we'll come back in a minute. Alright, so we got the under tray thing back on, all the Torx screws, and that's done. All we gotta do now is clean up. So make sure you reset the oil life in the truck, or it'll start bugging.
Check your dipstick.
Check the dipstick, make sure your levels are good. Ours is like right in the middle, so we're straight. And just do this in another, I don't know how many miles I'm gonna wait this time. We'll see how it goes. See what kind of miles I put in. Thanks for checking out the vid. Go to refinetruck.com. You want the Maverick accessories and stuff. We got more videos for this coming soon, more videos for everything coming soon. And if you want to check us out on Twitch, streaming iRacing videos like almost every day these days. So 2 Random Scrubs on Twitch if you're interested. But other than that, we'll see you someday soon in the next vid.